Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to be able to upload in Full HD or HD on Facebook app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. For this video, I'm just going to follow this article and it will show us how exactly we can start uploading HD videos or footage into Facebook app. So simply, you will be needing just to change some settings on your Facebook app. So simply, you will be needing to go to the menu icon by clicking on the menu, and this is for the iOS Facebook, and from there you will be needing to go to settings. So the settings will be located here and the settings and privacy, and then you will be needing to go to preferences so you can choose where you will be able to send or to set your preferences for uploading. So here, after going to your preferences, you will be needing to go to video quality or media. After clicking on media, you will go to video quality and make sure to choose optimized. And the optimized will adjust the resolution to network condition. And from there, you will not want to choose the data saver because it will always choose the lower the resolution for all your videos. And of course, to upload videos in HD, ensure the video quality is set to optimize. After that, you will be able to do the same for Android, and you will have also settings and privacy. You will go to preferences, media, and you will have also optimized. And always you can choose whatever else option you will need. And by that, you will be able to start uploading on HD or full HD footage to your Facebook app. Thank you for watching and see you next time.